Okay? Did I put you in charge?
Yep.
You can trust me.
Will you be nice to her? Okay, how so quickly they came to war. I can't wait to hear that. Oh, wait a minute now. I can't go yet, Brenda. Sorry.
Okay.
There. Now I can go.
Oh, you feel better.
Yes.
Wow, look at it. You are coming along.
I am doing all right. I'm doing all right. Now, I just got to get up off, get the big arse off this couch, and I'll be gone. Color me gone.
Oh, you gone. Your little red car gone.
Yep. It's a nice little red car, too.
It is. It's all yours.
Smile.
Me and my bank have an agreement. Okay, I don't know why I brought the sweater, but...
It was kind of overcast this morning.
Chico, smile.